Now we are here. So the first thing is to learn in pen tool is to create straight lines. Each time when I click, I am creating an anchor point and I am creating a shape. So these are some straight lines that I create by using this. Now again I want to delete it, and I have to click on this area. So I have to create many shapes when I am creating anchor points. And look at that circle, little circle, along with pen tool. Uh, when I joined all the anchor points, then it's a closed path. So if I don't join any anchor point here and here, so this path is called open path. This is a closed path and this is an open path. The second thing is to create arcs. Just click, and second time just press the mouse button for a long time and just drag it, so it creates an arc. So these are curves. So you can create also curves by using this. Place an anchor point here, just go up with a new angle, and you can see it's there. And again you can make it. So by pen tool you can create different shapes. It's to, it's to practice better, and you can make it the better by using your practice. So many things in the pen tool. Let's say that's a shape that I have created, and we can join all the points by using anchor points. So you can adjust anchor points by direct selections. Select any anchor point directly, and you have to convert it as per your requirement. So look at this, here is the shape. That I created. So the things in the pen tool are different. Look at this, add an anchor point, delete an anchor point, and convert an anchor point. So you can use anything. So you can use anything, you can create anything by using this. Now look at this shape. If I want to add another anchor point, then I have to add it there and go to direct selection, select this and slightly drag it to upward. So if you want to change it, then just click and convert the selected anchor point to the smooth, and this is the smooth way. These are handles. The direction of handles are showing where to move it. So you can create your own shape, required shape, by using this. So when I add an anchor point here, or add an anchor point here, add an anchor point here, select any anchor point from this and you can change the shape as you required. So you can create different shapes by using pen tool. let's say this is the shape, and we have to now use delete anchor point. So if I delete anchor point from here, look at this. If I delete an anchor point from here, add some anchor points, one is there, and second, third, fourth, and now I want to delete the anchor points 1 and 2. Look at the shape behavior. So that's the different shape that we got with the help of these tools. So let's make some practice of pen tool, how to create a shape. Here we go. Here are some basic shapes. If you are using a Firefox, then just drag the image and drop it into the Adobe Illustrator area. Now go to the layers, and here is your image. Just lock it. When your path is locked, then it doesn't affect at all. Now take pen tool, we are going to create this shape. You can now familiar with pen tool, how to create some anchor points and join these anchor points through line segments, one end to another end, and add some anchor points, delete some anchor points, convert some anchor points. Now take it, put an anchor point here, and then put another anchor point. So we are creating anchor points by line segments, and we will create a closed path. Now, so look at there, it's not our requirement. So just go to add anchor point and add another anchor point here, and then add an anchor point here, and this and this. So go to direct selection, select this anchor point, convert it to handle, move the handles so its direction can adjust it. This will be adjusted by its directions. That's another anchor point. Convert into smooth, put your handle to the right direction. If you spend some time and you can make it, slightly, and after some time you have got this shape. Now I want to hide this, and That's the right shape that we required. So you can create any shape. So what is the difference between these shape and why we require these shape? So look at your JPG image. This is a vector file and this is not a vector file. When the file is not a vector file, it have limited number of pixels in it. So look at this, the result is very rough. So if I'm going to the vector file, this is the vector, the edges are smooth, these are crispy, and these are fine. So we can use the pen tool by for creating many shapes. So we will practice more.